time log gives you an insight into the check-in or out times of the guards on the client post sites. It lists down the details of all the shifts and breaks in chronological order. In case the guard had different shifts on the same site in a day, details for all shifts and the breaks included will be shown separately. This helps you monitor guard punctuality and implement schedule compliance. To check the time log, click on the time clock on the main menu and select Time Log. On the next screen, you see a list of the time log entries registered in the system. You can refine the list based on the client, guard, post site, skill set or department, or a date range from the filters. Click on a particular entry to view the details. You also have the option to approve or disapprove a time log entry. The approved shifts are included in the time card and will be ultimately included in the total guard hours. You can also email the report to the members of your security team or export it in PDF or Excel format. It is this easy. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime. GuardsPro, #1 security patrol solution.